Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can remotely lock this device if you was to ever lose it. So at the moment I do not have a PIN password set on my lock screen, so if I was to lose the device, whoever finds it, all they'd have to do is just simply swipe like that and bam, they're straight into my phone. We've got access to all my social media accounts, my bank accounts, my Gmail. We've got access to everything on my phone, and that's not good, guys. So what I would have to do straight away, I would have to borrow somebody's Samsung device. So I've just borrowed my sister's Samsung device. This is the best way to do it, guys. Just borrow another Samsung device from a family member who you can trust. If you don't have another Samsung device, if you can't borrow one, you can still use a non-branded Samsung device. You can also use a PC as well. You just need something with an internet browser, and I'll show you how to do that after what I'm about to show you with this Samsung device. So I've just borrowed my sister's Samsung device. So what I'm going to do straight away is just go into the settings. And here I'm going to log into my Samsung account. So just log into your Samsung account with your email address and password. And once you've done that, then scroll down to biometrics and security, and then look for this option, find my mobile, select it, and then you will see this link here, findmobile.samsung.com. click on that link, and you might have to log back in again with your Samsung account. So if it requires you to just put in your email address and your password again for your Samsung account, and then it will bring you here to this page here, and then select this little tab up here, and you will see all your Samsung devices that you have tied to your Samsung account. So look for your Ultra, select it, and then select lock, and then it will bring you here, and it says your phone isn't locked. For security lock your phone. So select next. So as you can see, my device is still open. Okay, so just enter a PIN. So I'm going to put 1 2 3 4. Make sure you put a strong password, one that you can remember as well. So 1 2 3 4. I'm just putting that simple password just for the purpose of the video. You can also add an emergency contact as well, and you can add an international number or domestic number. So I'm just going to add a contact number just so that whoever finds my phone, once it's locked, they will see my contact details on the lock screen so that they can call me and I can arrange when to pick it up. And if I'm lucky enough, they might even drop it off to me. Okay, so I'm just going to put the phone number, my contact phone number. And then select lock. And now it's locking phone, and as you can see, my phone is now locked and the owner's number is right there. Okay, so whoever finds my phone, they will not be able to get into the device because it's now locked and my contact number is there. So hopefully they will give me a call and I can arrange when to go pick it up. And just select save the password, and that's all you have to do, guys. Okay, so if you're using a non-branded Samsung device, hold up a second. just open up Google on the non-branded Samsung device or your PC and simply just type in findmobile.samsung.com and click on the link. Make sure it says findmobile.samsung.com. This is the genuine site, guys. If it doesn't say that, it's I wouldn't recommend putting your details in, because it could be just a website that looks similar to it, and I wouldn't put my details in because fraudsters will have access to your account and details and stuff. So just make sure that it says findmobile.samsung.com, and then all you're gonna do, you're just gonna sign into your Samsung account, and then it will take you to that page where I showed you on here. It will take you to here once you've signed in, and you just select that tab like I showed you before and look for your Ultra, and then select the lock option. So that's all you do, you just sign in. As you can see, both pages are the same there, if you look. So you just sign in and then look for your Ultra, selecting that little tab what I showed you, and then select lock, and your device will lock after you enter your PIN code and your contact phone number. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video as well. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. I will see you in the next video. Deuces.